Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace the water pump on your GMC Acadia using an easy method. This is a very manageable DIY task if you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. You'll need common hand tools, a torque wrench, and new parts like the water pump, gasket, and bolts. Remember to always prioritize safety by working on a cool engine and disconnecting the battery before you begin. First, ensure your engine is completely cool. Then, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical issues. Next, place a drain pan underneath and remove the lower radiator hose to drain the coolant from the system. With the coolant drained, you can now loosen the four 10mm bolts on the water pump pulley. Do this before removing the serpentine belt, as the belt tension helps hold the pulley in place. Finally, use a serpentine belt tensioner tool to release tension and remove the belt. With the belt off, fully remove the four pulley bolts and the pulley itself. Now, locate and remove the six 10mm bolts holding the water pump to the engine block. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the old water pump away from the engine, being ready for any remaining coolant. Thoroughly clean the mounting surface, removing all old gasket material. Install your new water pump with a fresh gasket and new bolts, tightening them to 89 inch-pounds in a crisscross pattern for an even seal. Now, reattach the water pump pulley, serpentine belt, and all radiator hoses. Reconnect your negative battery cable. It's time to refill the cooling system with a 50/50 mixture of the correct coolant. Fill the reservoir and radiator, then start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. Keep an eye on the coolant level as the engine warms up, topping it off as needed. Finally, check thoroughly for any leaks and monitor your coolant levels over the next few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.